Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Davinci Resolve, how to change aspect ratio. So as example, I will import the media. I will use this file and then you can move into track. Now if you want to change aspect ratio in this video, you can right click in this timeline and then go to timeline settings, click on output, and in here you can uncheck for use project settings and uncheck again for use timeline settings. You can set for the aspect resolution in output resolution. Like I will set into this option 720, and if you click OK, the video will be automatically change the aspect ratio. So you can right click again, go to timeline settings, and then you can set in it. Like I will set output into this option, add a definition, and you can click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Davinci Resolve, how to change aspect ratio. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.